Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the QR code generator Chrome extension. With this extension, you can instantly create QR codes for website and share links quickly without typing long URLs. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for QR code generator, then click on Add to Chrome, then Add extension. After installation, click on the puzzle icon and mark extension as pinned. Now visit any web page you want to convert into a QR code. Like I want to convert this website into QR code. Now click on the extension icon. Here you will see once you scan this QR code, it will directly open this website. Also you can download HD or you can add logos also. Create bulk logos. Here you will enter each text link or a new line. Like I am entering hello, this is my PC. Then size of download image. From here you can select the color like background color, foreground color or frame color. Now select the logo if you want to select any logo. Click on bulk generate QR code. Here you will see once you scan this QR code, it will show you hello, this is my PC. You can also change the foreground color, background color, or frame color if you want. Also change the logo from there and download as a zip file. Once your phone camera scan QR, make sure it works correctly. And that's it. Now you know how to use a QR code generator Chrome extension to create and share QR code in seconds. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.